Hello friends and family, and welcome to another March unboxing. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer. On this channel we do subscription unboxing and also mystery boxes if they are available or as they become available and I find them, and of course if they are still available. So anyway, this video we are going to do the March Boxy Charm Premium Box. If you wanted to see what the if you want to see what the Luxe box is, check out my video, the last video that I made, and you shall see it there. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. So this is the $35 a month box. You receive, I believe, 6 full-sized items, and you do get to customize one choice item. So let's go ahead and check her out. You can also tell if it's premium by opening up the box. You can see the inside of the box will be a different color and it will have that name there. So of course you always get the little card. This month's theme is, oops, it's upside down. This month's theme was well, I want to say Lucky Charms, but it's lucky for St. Patrick's Day. And then you get all of your items and the prices on the back, and you get this variation number here if you are interested in that. So let's go ahead and woohoo, sneak peek, woohoo. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this. This was my choice item, and I wasn't too excited about the other choice items, so I have already tried this before. This was in my last Chic Beauty box unboxing, so you can also see that video. I will probably leave a link to that video somewhere there. So I'm not going to open this one because I have that one right here already as it is. What? Yeah, replenishing. Oh, maybe these are different. This is the Hangover Good to Go, which I thought I had. This is the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. Okay, well, maybe there's a difference. Let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, all right. There is a difference. Look at that. I didn't even know. So they're like sisters. Okay. So, all right. Replenishing Face Primer. I love primers. This says with coconut water, probiotic based ingredient, and skin revivers. They're just a tad bit different. Oh, I see. So one has an SPF moisturizer and this one does not. Okay, so they really are different. Let's go ahead and see. I know that the Good to Go smells like coconut and like sunscreen. It smells really vacation-y and I like that. So let's see if this one has a scent. It's got the little, let me just show you. You got the little pump. So I'm pumping it up. Okay. It doesn't really have a scent, but let's go ahead and put it on the skin. Feels very good. Oh, I like it. It does feel very refreshing and hydrating. I do like that. Okay. All right. Oh, that feels good. It doesn't have much of a scent. Maybe a teeny tiny bit of coconut. Not nearly like the other one. So anyway, let's go ahead. All right, I've kind of spent a lot of time on this guy. Where is my card? So this two-faced item is $35. Pays for the box by itself already, first item out of the box, and it was a choice item. So basically everything else in the box is gonna be score, bonus. So let's keep on going. Alrighty, all right. Ooh. So we've got the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. All right. What it is? There we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and open her up. I have so many mascaras going on right now, but you know, to be honest, I like them all and I use more than one because you want volume, you want length, you want, you know, all these varieties. So super pretty, very, very summer vibe going on here, especially with the moisturizer. So I'm liking this. Let's see what the wand looks like, because I'm all about wands. That's what determines a good mascara. However, you can always switch the wand if you like the formula, so I'm good with that. All right, I'm happy with this. This one, let's see what it is. So if it's a big ego, is it volumizing? Defense Booster Crush, twisted double fiber bristles for max pigment load, lash loving ingredients, and then okay. All right, that guy is $23. So about your typical you know, Ulta, Sephora priced stuff. Mascara. Okay, next in here is Kiss My Something. That's all I see. It says Kiss My, and then it's Rowan. Liquid Lip Balm in the color Charlie. I don't know what this is about. Oh, that's a pretty packaging. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And it is my kind of color. So, ooh, look at the wand is even glass. Okay. There's the applicator there. And it is definitely a gloss. Oh, that's very pretty. Ooh. I like her. Pretty. Let's go ahead. I'm going to put a little bit on because I'm recording lots and lots of videos tonight and my lips may get dry. Oh, got that. Very moisturizing. It's got a peppermint. It's pepperminty. Don't laugh if I got some out of my line of my lips, because I don't care. Let's be a judgment-free zone, okay? I just wanted to see, all right? Pepperminty, I like it. It's a good color. Very nice. I actually really like the mintiness in it. It's not too strong, you know? So this guy here is $26 from Rowan Beauty. I hope I'm saying that right. And it's actually called the Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. So that's cute. I like that idea. All right. Haas Laboratories. Isn't this the Lady Gaga one? I don't really know anything about it. This is going to be my first Haas Beauty product, and I don't know what it is. Well, I think the color's name is In Point. Well, let's see. Ooh, it's a lip liner, you guys, and it's in my favorite colors. Nudes and mauves, ladies and gents. Yes, sir. And it goes perfect. Oh, look at this lid. I gotta show you the top of that lid. It's fancy. What? Okay. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Ooh, that's one of my favorite right now. Oh, wow. Look at that. It looks just like... Oh, that goes really well together. Oh, I'm super happy about this. Oh, man. Okay, where is this on here? $16. So that's actually a really good price because these things can go for like $19 each. So that's a good deal. I like that for that. That's a good price. Okay, let's keep on keeping on, ladies and gents. Beauty. Okay. Beauty Diva London Diva eye brush set. Eye brush set. Ooh. Ooh. I love beauty tools. Oh. There's 4 in here. Oh, those are cute. Look at this detail, you guys. Ooh, that's pretty. And then here are those are the tips. Let's go ahead and let's open one up and let's see let's see. You know, in my book, they're kind of flimsy. See that? Shoot. I want to really like these, and I don't know yet. Okay, so they're like flimsy when you do this, when you test it. However, when you do this, it seems like it's a little bit better, and I think it will get the job done, but they kind of remind me of the off-brand paintbrushes sometimes when you just buy the cheaper ones, because they got that plastic and then they got those really like flimsy, I don't know. I want to like it, so I'm going to keep an open mind because I love makeup tools. I love brushes, so I want to give them a try. I don't want to knock it before I try it, kind of a thing. I am super excited about this. Don't get me wrong, okay? What is this again? Beauty Diva London, $48 for that set. So they should be a good brush. So, you know, let's go ahead and keep open minds, okay? We'll keep on keeping on. And this looks exciting. This is Caprice Made for Each Other Illumination and Active Shimmer. Serum and primer. I think that's what it's saying. I don't know. Let's open her up and see, because I'm not sure exactly. Oh, yes, there. Ooh, you know I love double prizes. Okay, so we do have this. Ooh, illuminating eye serum and primer. So it does 2 things. So it's like double prizes within a double prize. I love that. Okay. All right. It's kind of got this milky, okay, hold on. Let's shake it up because it had a little, it looked like clumped milk. So let me shake her up and we'll give it another try. Oh, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like kind of, I think you just really have to mix it because it's really like got that thick goop on it. So let me see. Maybe it's a, yeah, I don't really know. Look at that. I don't know. I feel like, what if I mix it a little like this? Yeah, I think that's what it is. It was probably just sitting in the box and it just probably needs to be shooken up a little. Let's go ahead and give it a second try now that I kind of mixed it up a bit. Come on. Come on, Dapper. Oh. Yeah, it's almost like it's not mixing in right. So that's going to be a little bit of a work in process. Looks like melted ice cream or something. Okay, I'll have to work on that because I'm really excited to try this. Like, I really want to give it a whirl. It's like a primer and an eye serum, so I definitely want to, work on that. Okay, spending too much time on that. Let's see what the other part of this is. Ooh, are these, I don't know if these are shadows or if they are, I think you could probably do both. You can do shadow and a skincare first illumination and shimmer, blah, blah, blah. Optical illusion of a brightened eye area shimmer. Shimmer for your eyelids and skin. Okay, that's sort of what I thought. I want to try this pearl color, and I want to try this starlit color. So look at how gorgeous those are. Ooh, I love this. Definitely gives you that summertime vibe. Ooh, oof. My kids used to say oof, and now when I remind them of it, they're like, I don't remember ever saying that. Oh, look at how gorgeous. That's a beautiful palette. Okay, so that duo double prices is $145. $145 for this. So whoa, we are on a crazy extreme roll here. Okay, was that everything? Yes, I think so. Alrighty, so let's do a recap. We got the double prizes of this that we just went over. We got the face, oh, we got two, so we got two face primers. We've got the mascara. We got the these two guys here, the lip liner and lip gloss. And then we got these brushes. So I will put a total somewhere here when I figure all of that out. But what did you guys think? I'm really happy with my box. I love, like, these shimmers. Oh man, I can probably put those on there maybe for my next video. Anyway, did you like your variation? Did you think the $35 premium box was worth it? And if you want to subscribe, I will leave a link below, and I will also leave a link below for my Luxe box as well as for my Instagram profile, because I will be swatching this on there very shortly. So please like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you and have a lovely rest of your week. Bye.